Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can join clips in REAPER. So let's get straight into it. Um, so this process takes multiple items and renders them into a single one new audio or MIDI file. So let's start with the first method, which is most common way to merge clips permanently. So first the first clip, so like that. Then press Ctrl and with your mouse select other items like that. Simple as that. Now click on doesn't matter which clip with the right button on your mouse and then find glue items right here. Click on it and now they are basically grouped together. So if there are gaps between the clips, Reaper will fill them with silence in the new file. Now, the second option that we have, uh, now if you previously split a single clip into two pieces and haven't moved them, you can heal the cut without creating a new file. So let's do. So as you can see here, I have one clip, but I have split them before for one video. Now what I need to do, again select these two clips, so Ctrl and left click, and then right click on it and find heal splits in items. So it's at the bottom of this big menu. Click on it, and this only works if the clips are perfectly aligned and haven't been modified. And as you can see now, I have one clip again. Now, if you want the clip to move and act as one but stay as separate files, so this is the third method which we can do. So I will select the items. Let's go and select more this time. Then press G. As you can see right here is this green icon shows up. And if I select this first one here and try to move, I will move all of them, as you can see. And if you want to ungroup that, just press U on the keyboard, and now as you can see, if I press, I can move just this one. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next